Ayan.
Umila pa. Wow!
KQ!
Ayan na. Nagigirian
Yes.
na. There you go! Oy, nako po! Wag naman po sana.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Players, please go back to respective benches. Players.
'24 Invitational Basketball Tournament. Now 75-80, 5-point deficit. Luis Pablo, good hesitate drive. Salado, series of screens. JV Mocon, gustong sumubok. Minted.
Phillips right now. Zoom play ulit.
Yes. Ito. Makalalag, a two-man play. They finding the open look. Oh, warning na pala itong si Jason Perkins. The fourth personal foul. Earl Abadam drives. Nako, nakawala. Ito, the conductor. A good. Oh, yeah, I know. Ito, RJ Azul.
Biglang
That's
tumahimik.
too serious.
Oo nga eh.
We're supposed to enjoy the game. RJ Azul
Correct.
missed that shot. Here comes JV Mocon.
Oh my!
Almost a
Muntik na.
alley-oop dunk, but here comes Luis Pablo. Phillips. RJ Azul.
Ibang klase. Coach Jamaic. Kinuha na yung yung
Upuan.
upuan.
And Michael Phillips
Nice move.
is controlling the tempo here. JC Makalalag. Luis Pablo kicks it out. They have 8 seconds to shoot. Another steal. Ken Toffen. Good deep.
Short. Oh.
Kala ko going the fans here in Davao.
Naman.
Parang nasa PBA rin, no?
Yes.
The assistant coaches, you know, with
Ako si Coach Mon. I mean, I played with Coach Mon before, no, sa University Games. Against.
Conductor. Jay McInnes
Lumipad sa ere itong si Jay McInnes.
is very dominant. Laging nasa foul na lang lagi.
Yeah, but may ganung klaseng move pala siya, no, si Jay McInnes. I always see him back to the basket eh.
Yan. Yan ang team ng Kadayawan natin.
Naman, no?
Their first W for this tournament. Hindi pa kaya.
That would force De La Salle to have a 1-2 record as well.
Definitely. Ito, Tyler Dio. Napasobra
Offensive
yung kanyang
foul.
force use of lalo na no sa ating mga friends dyan sa Manila na nanonood sa atin dito sa Davao.
Prayers up for
Yes.
sa mga nasalanta ng bagyo.
Michael Phillips drives but there's a foul underneath. Kentoy sa
Oo,
loob.
nakita ko yan.
Entertaining, ano?
Basketball.
Yes, mas gusto ko pang manood.
Oo, totoo.
No? Kasi kaysa ikaw yung maging judge dyan, no? Sa
Ayun,
loob.
Coach.
The 9 minutes remaining of the ball game. Tyler Tio drives. A
Oh,
good defensive play by Nonods la sa atin. Sumusuporta sa Madayaw Sports Davao
Nice.
official Facebook page.
Huli.
At yun nga, natawagan ng offensive foul.
Offensive foul in jersey number 7.
Eto CJ Austria, he drives. Ang ganda ng drop pass. He could have finished that, but you know, very intimate.
He wide open three.
Yeah, that's wide open.
Swish!
1, 2, 3. Here, talagang nakita mo yung attitude. The discipline when you execute the play like this. But a good block by Alejandro. Alejandro drives. Jay McInnes using his strength.
Oh!
But
Pumasok.
they're using the post. CJ Austria. Very smart.
Very calm as well.
And you Bulldogs, you know?
Oh, huli. He read that perfectly.
Offensive foul.
Ayan na. Gigirian
Yes.
na. Look at Austria and Tyler Tio. Oh, steal! There you go! Oy, nako po! Wag naman po sana.
Yes.
All players,
Oh my gosh.
players, please go back to respective benches. Players, please go back to respective benches.
Nagkagirian na nga talaga.
We don't like
We don't like that.
this, ano?
The players from the Phoenix Fuel Masters entered. At pagkatapos na okay na sana.
Yeah.
Inila niya papababa. And that's where the commotion starts. Now, CJ Austria will shoot the second free throw. Imagine mo, Coach, 7 comments from the people of Davao watching on live.
Ganda ng entry, high-low.
Good high-low play.
Oh, tinamaan na naman. Be aggressive when you play basketball. Hindi pwede yung malamya ka. Kakainin ka ng buhay ng opponent mo. No? Defending, aggressive, but not fouling as well. No?
Yes.
Saluin mo lang sa katawan yung mga contact na yan. But wala na mga extra motions.
Definitely. No? Another, it creates, so yung nga sinasabi nila kung ayaw mo
Referees,
Yeah.
professionals, we need to watch over.
Yun yung kagandahan doon. That
So,
the trained, alam nila paano mag-handle na ganyang situation.
also, coach, I don't think referees would really allow yung mga extra motions, no? But
Yes.
yung konting mga bump like yun, over na yun eh. So, that's a good call. In-extend na eh, extensive.
Yes, tama ka doon. Kaya mag-enjoy na lang po tayo sa panonood dito.
Oo nga.
Huwag na po tayo mag-away. O kanya-kanyang opinion. Wow, Matt Rubico showcasing. They have a lot of players, especially for next year. Ito, RJ Azul. He drives using his veteran move.
Drag screen from KQ. Oh!
Very smart. Yun na, Austria.
Kaya nga. Gustong-gusto ko yung player na to eh.
Yeah.
Nahiiwas.
Yes. Sa nakarelate lang.
Kaya
Back to the ball game. 93-86 po. Nating score po natin ngayon.
2-1 press for De La Salle. We have 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. De La Salle now on top.
Yes.
7 points.
But there's a blocking foul in that possession.
Muntik na maagaw.
Loose ball
Loose
foul.
ball foul.
From Pakalalag at saka Austria.
Mintis lang yung sigurado yung coach. With his talent, with his
Pilot or mag-doctor coach. Di ba?
tama.
Ito,
Huwag natin pilitin.
ayan, Rafi Virano kicks it out to Sean Maganti. Not this time. Oh, that's a good patience coming from the Phoenix Fuel Masters. Eto, JC Makalalag using that horns play.
Wow! Open na siya.
Yeah, but that's an easy basket. Sometimes yun yung mga ball na meron itong Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Tama
Sa
ka.
atin yun kahit eto, here comes Sean Maganti. CJ
Ganda
Austria
naman, no?
steals the ball. Ayan.
Humila pa.
Oh! KQ!
Oh.
Oo. Jason Perkins. Eto na.
Put back.
KQ kontra Jason
It's
Perkins.
a good matchup.
Kiambao. Here comes Austria. 3.
Wow! CJ Austria really having fun.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Turning on
Ito yung
the
mga
switch, no?
Tyler Teo. Tyler Teo for 3.
Bago
sir.
Ito, maganda to.
Ito, magandang laban.
2:50 remaining.
Yep, definitely.
Tingnan natin.
Here comes CJ Austria once again.
They're looking for that switch.
Using his body. But here comes Makalalag. Second chance points.
Di pumasok. 2:30 remaining. 10-point lead for De La Salle.
Yeah, Rafi Verano using his strength. And he... Galing tong player na to. Very smart.
With
Yes.
2 minutes and 23 seconds. Verano sinks the second basket.
A good hustle play.
For three!
Cambao.
No! Uh-oh. I think Phillips is...
Ng Kadayawan Invitational Basketball Tournament. Yan. JC Makalalag. Kicks out.
KQ for three.
Yep.
No.
Misses again. But there's a
Foul.
foul. Yeah, it's so crystal clear. Sir Glenn Escandor. Si Sir Philip Sal. And syempre si Coach Ronel Loterio. Coach Solo Ilihino. Ayan, kasama ko ngayon. Si Dan James, si DJ. Gambo. Shoutout ko na rin din si yung mga fans natin all the way from Brunei, America. Yun, nanonood sa atin
Yes.
sa live, no?
Worldwide.
Happy viewing po sa inyo. Worldwide po tayo. Nasa Davao lang po tayo ngayon. Ito, here comes Jason Perkins. He drives physically and one.
Until Phoenix not giving up, no?
Yep, of course.
1:30 remaining. Malayo pa.
Handing it over. Abadam. Three. Not
Kanina
this
pa yung
time.
zoom nila, no?
They've been doing that all over and over again, but
Uh-huh.
they've been executing it very well. Here comes Jason Perkins using his veteran move.
Wow!
Yan na. Ayan,
It's a one possession ball game with 15 seconds on the shot clock. There's this Iverson cut, no? Na
Yep.
ginawa ng De La Salle. Of course, from Abadam.
Makalala.
Ooh! Agaw!
And here,
38 seconds.
yes, Tyler Teo this time. Perkins
Perkins.
uses his strength.
No good. Clean up job.
Oh!
Slamma jamma.
Ay! Woo! Yun yung mga gusto ng mga tao dito.
Yes.
Sigawan. 102 at peace.
20 seconds remaining.
Definitely.
Kapit po. Tabla po tayo.
Yes. Here comes CJ Austria. Kontra
5 seconds to shoot,
Jason
coach.
Perkins.
Uh-oh. Blocking foul. Tayo.
CJ. He made it. Tumatawa na naman. Yung mga taong ganyan talaga. Minsan
Grabe, no?
nakakasar.
Oh.
But, that's how he plays.
Yes.
Let's respect that. And that's a kind of basketball that he likes.
Second throw. Tinilaan po. Ibang klase itong batang to. Saludo ko sa iyo, boy. Here we go. Give and go play. Sabi na, go for three.
What a big rebound.
LaSalle escapes.
Yep, that's right. Almost a shot by RJ Azul.
We have the winner, De La Salle Green Archers.
Panalo ang De La Salle Green Archers. Dito, end of the game, the UAAP champion.